Welcome to our video lesson on identifying and analyzing compliance requirements as part of the CSSLP certification. In this lesson, we'll explore key concepts essential for software security professionals. Let's dive in. In this lesson, we'll cover regulations and compliance requirements, data classification requirements, privacy requirements. Regulations and compliance drive many activities within an enterprise. Compliance is essential to avoid financial penalties, increased scrutiny, and bad publicity. Regulations come from various sources, including industry groups and government agencies. Non-compliance can result in severe penalties, based on the severity and context of the violation. For example, the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard PCI DSS and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act (HIPAA) are key regulations affecting data security. While compliance is not the same as security, they overlap significantly. Both aim to manage risk, ensuring that enterprises can operate securely while meeting regulatory requirements. Security standards define measurable activities for compliance. They promote interoperability and facilitate comparisons between organizations. Key ISO standards include ISO or EEC 2700X series, focuses on information security management. ISO or EEC 15408, common criteria for IT security evaluation. ISO or EEC 9126 addresses software engineering and product quality. ISO or EEC or EE 12207 covers software lifecycle processes. ISO or EEC 33001 process assessment and improvement. The National Institute of Standards and Technology (NIST) develops standards like the FIPS and SB 800 series. Industry organizations like SAFECode and OWASP provide best practices for secure software development. Legal issues such as patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets protect intellectual property. Understanding these concepts is crucial for software security professionals. Data classification helps manage risk by aligning protection levels with asset value. Data can be classified by state, usage, and risk impact. Data can exist in various states: at rest, stored, being created, in transit, being changed or deleted. Classifying data based on usage includes internal data, input data, and output data. Data is classified by risk impact: high risk, severe consequences if lost or disclosed; medium risk, serious consequences; low risk, limited consequences. Data lifecycle includes generation, use, storage, and destruction. Data owners and custodians have distinct roles in managing and protecting data. Privacy is about controlling information about oneself. It involves understanding rules and regulations like GDPR and ensuring data protection and breach notifications. To summarize, identifying and analyzing compliance requirements is vital in software development. Understanding regulations, standards, data classification, and privacy ensures secure and compliant software solutions. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Comment below, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Leston. Join us on this educational adventure and be the first to know about our latest videos.